right, friends, so I just want to do a quick example with you for what your work is going to look like today. So these are going to be your letters, and I'm going to post a picture of the letters, and you can even add your own letters if you know more than these, but we're going to use these letters, and this chart that I have made, I put one big line across the top, and then 2 lines down, and I made a little chart. This part says long stick, short stick, and no stick or no straight line. So we're going to sort these letters, and if they have a long stick, we're going to write them over here. If they have a short stick, we're going to write them in the middle, and if they don't have any stick or no straight parts, we're going to write them on this. So I'm going to start and pick a letter. I'm going to pick the letter C. When I trace it with my finger or I look at it and I see it, I notice the letter C has no straight lines. So I'm going to write the letter C over here. No stick and no straight lines. Now let's pick another letter. I'm going to look at the letter N. The letter N has 2 straight parts, and they're short. 2 short straight parts. So I'm going to put the letter N under short stick. And I'm going to look for a letter that has a long stick to give you an example. If I look at the letter P, or even the letter I, or even the letter B, they all have one part that's a big long stick. So I could write those letters under this section. I'm just going to pick one. Let's do the letter P. The letter P has a long stick, so it can go under long stick. So on the next slide, I'm going to post the link that says click here. That's where you will click to do your work. And I'm going to post a picture of the letters that you can use. And what you're going to do for your assignment is make this chart at home on a piece of paper with a pencil or whatever you have to write with. And you're going to fill in the chart using these letters and sort them if they have a long stick, short stick, or no stick. And then you're going to upload a picture of your work.